What's up, guys? Hope you're doing great today. The topic today is watermelon beyond the picnic basket. Watermelon is more than just a sweet summer treat. It's a surprisingly versatile ingredient. Industries are discovering its potential. From food to cosmetics, watermelon offers a range of uses. Watermelon's journey from field to factory is fascinating. It reveals a complex network of production and consumption. This essay explores watermelon's surprising industrial applications. Watermelon's primary use is in food, where it serves as a delicious and hydrating snack. Its sweet, juicy flesh is perfect for refreshing drinks, making it a favorite ingredient in many summer beverages. Watermelon juice is a popular choice, enjoyed by people of all ages for its natural sweetness and hydrating properties. Smoothies and cocktails also benefit from its vibrant flavor, adding a refreshing twist to these drinks. Candies and confectionaries utilize watermelon flavoring, bringing a burst of fruity taste to sweets. Gummies, hard candies, and even chewing gum incorporate its essence, making it a versatile flavor in the candy industry. Alcoholic beverages like watermelon beer and cocktails are gaining popularity, offering a unique and refreshing option for adults. Watermelon's versatility extends beyond its flesh, with the rind also being utilized in various culinary applications. The rind, often discarded, is finding new life as a culinary ingredient, adding a tangy twist to dishes. Pickled watermelon rind is a traditional treat in many cultures, appreciated for its unique flavor. It can also be candied or used in chutneys, showcasing the full potential of this versatile fruit. Watermelon's high water content makes it incredibly refreshing and hydrating, especially during hot summer days. This high water content also makes it a sought-after ingredient in cosmetics, providing a natural source of hydration. It provides deep hydration and nourishment to the skin, leaving it looking plump and radiant. Extracts from watermelon are used in a variety of skincare products, including moisturizers, serums, and masks to enhance skin health. The antioxidants present in watermelon protect the skin from environmental damage and oxidative stress. These antioxidants combat free radicals, reducing signs of aging and promoting a youthful appearance. Watermelon seed oil, rich in essential fatty acids, is also gaining popularity for its nourishing properties. It is a key ingredient in many skincare products, known for its ability to moisturize and rejuvenate the skin. Watermelon's benefits go beyond topical applications. It is also beneficial when consumed. It has significant potential in nutraceuticals, offering a natural source of essential nutrients. Watermelon is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a powerhouse of nutrition. It's a good source of vitamins A and C, which are crucial for maintaining healthy skin and overall well-being. Watermelon seeds, often discarded, are a valuable resource. These tiny seeds are packed with potential and are far more useful than they appear at first glance. They are rich in oil content, which can be harnessed for a variety of applications. This oil can be extracted and used for various purposes, ranging from culinary uses to industrial applications. Watermelon seed oil is used in cooking, adding a unique flavor to dishes, and as a biofuel, providing an eco-friendly energy source. The remaining seed cake, after oil extraction, serves as animal feed. This byproduct is not wasted, but repurposed efficiently. It's protein-rich and nutritious, making it an excellent supplement for livestock diets. Even the watermelon rind, often composted, can be used as animal feed. This ensures that every part of the watermelon is utilized. Watermelon's journey from farm to factory highlights its versatility. From the fields where they are grown to the factories where they are processed, every step is optimized. It is a sustainable crop with minimal waste. Farmers and producers work together to ensure that nothing goes to waste. As research continues, we can expect to see even more innovative uses for this amazing fruit. The future holds exciting possibilities for watermelon-based products. I love hearing from you. Drop a comment and let's chat. And if you haven't joined the community yet, hit that subscribe button.